Hi George, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenny. Today is Tuesday, May 18th, 2021, and what we're going to do today is play a game. The game is going to be about comparatives and superlatives. You might think, how are we going to play, Teacher Lenny? Well, it's easy. If you remember, comparatives are the ones that we use when we are comparing two things. For example, as the brown cat is smaller than the white cat, or the gray cat is bigger than the white cat. Oh, sorry. Woo! And superlatives are the ones that we use when we are comparing more than three things. For example, the biggest cat is the gray one, or the smallest cat is the brown one. The funniest cat is the white one, and the cutest cat is the brown one. So if you notice, we can differentiate which one is what. Okay, so let's talk about the rules. You are going to take notes about your answers, and in the comments you're going to tell me how many you got. If you got them all right, you win the game. Okay? Ready? Let's start. Who is angrier? Donald the Duck or Mickey Mouse? Who is funnier? Clarence and his friends or Courage the Dog? Who is taller? Toad or Bones? Who is worse? Bowser or Zelda? Who is faster? Lightning McQueen or Sonic? Okay, now let's get into it. Here, who is the most powerful? Spider-Man, Thor, or Mantis? Here, who is the strongest? Captain America, Falcon Captain America, or Tony Stark? Here, who is the smallest one? Mario, Luigi, or Kirby? What is the worst dessert? Donuts, ice cream, or a lollipop? Now, who is the best teacher? Professor Girafales, Professor Charles Xavier, or your teacher, Teacher Lenny? So, now that you have your answers, let's go with the answers. Are you ready? Let's say, for the first one, Donald the Duck is angrier than Mickey Mouse. Number 2, Clarence and his friends are funnier than Courage the Dog. Number 3, Bones is taller than Toad. Number 4, Bowser is worse than Zelda. Number 5, Sonic is faster than Lightning McQueen. Number 6, Thor is the most powerful. Number 7, it's Captain America. Captain America is the strongest. Number 8, It's Kirby. Kirby is the smallest one. Smallest. Number 9. A lollipop is the worst dessert. And number 10. The best teacher is your teacher Lenin. Oh, that's what I think. Okay? So yeah, that was the activity for today. We just play a game. See you tomorrow, George. Thank you for playing the game with me and have a very nice day.